In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CapCut Keyboard Shortcuts to edit faster. To get started, open the CapCut desktop app on your computer. Make sure the program has fully loaded before moving on, so everything responds smoothly as you follow along. Once CapCut is open, you can either create a new project or open an existing one. If you're just exploring the shortcut list, either option works fine. The main goal here is simply to get inside the editing workspace, where CapCut gives you access to its built-in shortcut guide. After your project is open, look to the upper left corner of the app window and click on Menu. This is where CapCut keeps several helpful options related to settings, support, and tools that can make editing easier. When the menu appears, move your cursor over Help. You don't need to click right away if a submenu appears when you hover. Just pause for a moment and look for the option labeled Shortcuts. Once you see it, click Shortcuts. After that, give CapCut a moment to open the Shortcuts window. Depending on your computer, this may appear instantly or take a second. When the window opens, you'll see a list of available keyboard shortcuts that you can use while editing. This section is especially useful if you want to save time and reduce the number of clicks you make during common tasks. Take a little time to browse through the available keyboard shortcuts. As you do, pay attention to how the shortcuts are organized. CapCut typically groups them into categories, which makes them easier to understand and remember. Reviewing these shortcut categories and commands can help you quickly find the ones that are most relevant to your editing style, such as timeline actions, playback controls, trimming tools, or other common editing functions. A helpful tip here is not to try to memorize everything at once. Instead, focus on a few shortcuts you know you'll use often. Learning just a handful of useful commands can already make your workflow feel much faster and more efficient. When you're finished reviewing the shortcut list, close the Shortcuts window. This will take you back to your project so you can continue editing with what you've learned. At this point, you've successfully viewed the keyboard shortcuts in CapCut, and you're ready to start using them to speed up your editing process. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to find and review CapCut keyboard shortcuts to edit faster.